Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure both devices can talk, update the watch firmware, and sign into the companion app on your phone. Enable Bluetooth and location services so the watch gets accurate local data. This is necessary because the phone often fetches weather. Once done, open the companion app and grant permissions for location and notifications. You do this now to avoid permission blocks later, otherwise the watch won't display weather. Next, choose your preferred weather provider inside the app. You now link the weather service to the watch through the companion app settings. Tap Widgets or Complications, then select Weather and pick a provider. If an API key or account link is required, enter credentials now. Make sure you select the correct city or allow automatic GPS-based location so forecasts match where you are. Adjust update frequency to balance battery use and freshness. Every 15 minutes is typical for accurate short-term forecasts. Once set, sync the changes to the watch and check for a confirmation. You finish by syncing and testing the weather widget on the watch. Open it and confirm current temp and forecast appear. If data is missing, make sure the companion app has location and background permissions, then restart phone and watch. This often resolves syncing glitches. Also verify your weather account hasn't hit an API limit or requires reauthentication. Make sure to balance update frequency with battery life. If updates are too frequent, reduce them to preserve charge while keeping forecasts useful.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.